Hi guys, this is Jake with Think Free, Live Free, and up to this point I've been doing product reviews. Things are going to change from here on out a little bit. I'm not going to focus on product reviews as much because I'll be very busy with building out my van. Hi guys, so I'm in the van. This is the first day being back, so I want to get started. The van came with a rubber mat floor. So I'm taking the tie downs off and pulling the floor up so that I can clean the entire van. And currently I'm going to be taking the all the tie downs out and pulling up the mat. There's some oily residue on, so we got several tie downs here. There's like oily residue on the carpet itself. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully this can help you in some way to get an idea of what you want to do with your van and how you want to build it out. I'm sure that I will run into many problems and make a lot of mistakes, but you'll never make a mistake if you never try to do anything. So here we are, and we're doing it. So thank you for watching, thank you for following. Okay, so we got a last tie down here. As you can see, this van came with these thicker, about 3/4 inch rubber mat. See here, I pulled one of the mats up, so I gotta clean this. Okay guys, so I've removed the mats, the 3/4 inch mats, so you can see the floor is clear now, but you can see there's a lot of grime and dirt and stuff. So the next thing is to sweep it, blow it out, and soap wash it, soap and water, and just some elbow grease, and get this nice spick and span, get it nice and clean. And I think I'm just going to throw those mats away. I don't think I'm going to reuse them. Some of them broke up as I took them out, which means that they're also kind of at the end of their life. I've got a bolt here that was there when I took the mat out, so I'm going to have to grind that down. And then I have a bunch of holes. There's a hole there. There's a big hole right there, so I'm going to have to fill that. There's some over here. I just got back yesterday after a 45-hour trip, and I just felt like I had to get and do something today. So I got the mats pulled up. I'm going to continue to work on cleaning this and getting this prepped so I can put the floor in and start putting the walls in. Hi guys, so I'm back in the van. Today I'm going to be concentrating on deep cleaning the floor and filling up the holes. So I had to run to the store to get a sponge and a mop. So I got a big car sponge, and then I got a microfiber mop, all for $1, just from the dollar store. And then this is Dawn soap and water. Alright guys, so I just finished the cleaning of the van, just finished the floor, and it looks like this. So the floor is all cleaned. Cleaned the wheel wells. So now I can focus on the holes and focus on some of the rust spots. Wire brush them down and then prime them with rust rust protection. Hi guys, so right now I'm gonna be using a wire brush to scrape down the there's some peeled paint and there's some rust areas, so I'm gonna work on those so that I can get that ready and prepped for priming. I just got this Rust-Oleum 2x coverage paint and primer in one. I think it should be fine for what I need it for, so we'll see how it works out. See here, the paint's kind of coming off there a little bit. The rust spots are not too bad, but you got some paint coming off, so I just want to work on that a little bit. I still have to get the walls down, but I'm trying to get this floor ready to go. I will also be filling in these holes. So I just got a wire brush from Home Depot for like $3. I'm going to use that on most of the areas, and then if there's problems that I need to get more heavy duty, I will use this that's attached to my drill. Alright, so I've switched over to the drill. It's working a little bit better. The brush is okay, but there's some areas that it's not working well, so just got done vacuuming after using the steel brush on all the chipped paint and rust. So I'm going to blow it out now. I vacuumed. I'm going to blow the last little bit out, and then I'm going to prime those spots. Hi guys. So I'm going to concentrate on doing the holes in the floor. I got a couple of holes here, and I got a really big hole there and two little ones there. There's overall probably about 15-16 holes, so I'm going to focus on that. I got some foil tape, so I'm going to cut pieces and stick it over the holes. So you just cut your pieces and then you apply it. I am gonna double up on this hole. Just a little bit more peace of mind. By the way, I did clean this really good yesterday, the floor. I've applied rust protection on the floor as well, around the holes. So hopefully that will all help. And that's kind of how it looks. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be installing the sound deadener on the wheel wells. I decided to go with the 80 mil just for the wheel wells. As you can see, I have spray foam insulation on the roof and the walls. So I'm not going to sound deaden that. So I will go ahead and cut out those little pieces there. I would highly suggest getting a roller. It does help a lot. And the roller looks like that. I think it was $5. It does help a lot to roll it on. Honestly guys, I know there's a lot of videos on YouTube saying this is how to do it and that's how to do it. I think just measure it out good, and for your corners, make sure to cut slits in there so that you can fit it nicely so it doesn't bubble on you. But you can hear there, big difference. By the way, when you're ordering the sound deadening, I am only doing my 2 wheel wells. So I ordered 80 mil, 18 square feet. So 18 square feet, you should be good on doing the 2 wheel wells, and I'm doing the entire wheel wells. So I finished this one. So I've done both of the wheel wells. I think the Silas sound deadener is just fine. It's the same price as the Killmat. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Good luck on your van builds. I am ready to take out the partition. I've decided that at first I was going to keep the partition and make a little cutout for the door to go in there. But I decided that it's not a good option because I'm losing about 6 inches of internal space in the living area. So I'm going to go ahead and take the partition out. There's a rivet right there, so I'm trying to drill that out, but my drill bit's not working very well. Allen keys. So you just go along and take all those out. See there. And then when you get to the bottom here, there's a different there's a different, I'm sorry, my lights went off now. I don't know what's going on. And I think it's a Torx 40. So guys, we're up on the roof. I found some leaks last night. It was raining. So I'm gonna check the seals and try to lap seal everything. First of all, I'm gonna clean everything so it's nice and clean. The weather is not looking so good right now. I'm not sure if I should do this right now. This is what I'm using today: lap sealant, non-sag. Alright guys, so I got done with all the lap sealant. I have sealed all the seams. It does not look pretty, but I don't think anybody's going to see the roof, and hopefully it will do the job. Let me show you. Alright, well, hopefully that will do the job. Hopefully no more leaks. Hi guys, so I just wanted to thank you for watching this week. There's been a lot going on. I've ordered a lot of items for the van, so I'm kind of in the process of waiting for some of those things to come as well. But I just wanted to thank you for watching this week, and I wanted to thank you for your support. If you like these videos and you found them useful or just enjoyed watching them, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Take care guys. Bye. Stay safe.